Hello friends, in this tutorial we are starting a new and fresh course. In this course we will learn about Cisco Packet Tracer, how it works and how we can perform different activities in it. So in this course we will learn about switches, routers and PCs, and then we will configure switch and router as well. In this course is very interesting for you people. So in this video we are going to install Cisco Packet Tracer. So if you are using Windows 10, so we will install in that. So let's move forward. So first I will open my browser. In browser you simply search it, get into PC. That's one website. Here you can search according to your desired software. What you can find here? So first I will search Cisco. You can see here we have different versions of it. You can download any of it. It doesn't matter. So first Cisco packages I have clicked. So now you can see. So here simply click download. So I have already downloaded. So we will simply install it. So come to PC. Here you can see it is downloaded. So now simply double click it and install. So now I have clicked. Now it is opening. So simply yes. I accept the agreement. So next. Create a desktop shortcut. If you want desktop icon, it will provide you icon on the desktop. So if you want, so click it, but I do not want, so I clicked install. So now it will take a few minutes and install. In this Cisco Packet Tracer, this is version 8. Here you can see 8.1. So you can use it. If you have old version, it doesn't matter, but you can use it. So now it finished launch, but I do not want to launch now. Finish. Now whenever you want to open, first I will reject you. So search it Cisco. So enter it. It will need login if you have any login account. So you can log in. You can see here it needs to login it, but we do not login in it. We can simply first. Okay, now it disappeared. So what we will do, first we will off connectivity of internet. So switch off. Now it is off. Now again Cisco Packet Tracer, you have to disconnect with internet, then you can use it for few minutes. You have to here you can use anything. Before we were not able, now we can use it. First you have to disconnect with internet. Now I will connect it with internet. So now look at it's connected. Yes, it's connected. So now you can see it. We have net connectivity. For few minutes, whenever you want to open it, Cisco Packet Tracer, you have to disconnect with internet, so you can use it. So this was our video for today. So thank you for watching.